we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Air conditioning systems are a type of ventilation, specifically mechanical ventilation, because they provide a space with cool, fresh air. Some air conditioning systems quality as balanced ventilation, because they also remove stale and polluted air from a building.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.